Hello guys! This time I have a real nice one for you. This is a not headlamp, but this is a working light from Fenix. And this one has a dual color LED, so you can get a warm light and a cold light. And it also has a nice dimming feature. And all done by knobs, not push buttons, which I really love, the knobs. Let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. The box is made from a very nice shiny plastic. And inside we have this one. Empty box. Lot of useful information all over, of course, as usual, on Fenix lights. And inside you have this nice USB-C cable with a nice Fenix logo. You have a small plastic bag with a small oh, that was hard to see. With a small ring inside. This is for a keychain or something. And you have the excellent light, which has these nice buttons. And tripod screw, 1/4 inch. And 2 strong magnets. And you have this USB-C charging port and a USB-A, which you can use as a power bank. I will get back to that. And then of course you have the usual manual. You have a warranty card. Okay, let's take a closer look at the light itself. It's made from metal in front. I think it's aluminium or something. Plastic all the way around, but very solid plastic. Excellent quality. Very hard. You will not break this easily. You have an orange button, which is for the emergency light, which is a red one. One long press, and then a short press. You have this blinking motion. Press again, and it's on constant. And press and hold, and it goes off. Then you have the other button, which is a on-off button on the side here, which you can turn up really bright. Very nice indeed. And then this button, you can change the color from cold to warm. Hope the camera is not fooling me, but yeah. Really nice feature, really nice. You can use it as a video light as well. And of course, if you put it on the warmest one, you still have the same high level of light. Very excellent, very excellent. Brochures with everything you need to know inside about a lot of the lamps. This one I got from a company in Norway, which we can barely see, like this maybe. They also sell binoculars. Better check out their website if you're interested in something like this. They have an amazing, what is called? Lots of telescope in the shop, so check that out. Rifle equipment, rifle, what it is called in English, I don't know. That was the 2 buttons. On the top, like I told you in the beginning, there was this USB-A and the USB-C. The USB-C, like I told you, is for the charging of the lamp. And the USB-A you can use to charge something, like your phone. Let's try it, just to see how it works. The charging is, as I mentioned before, by USB-C, and it is a fast charger. We will take a look at this over here. And it starts with 6.5, and now it goes all the way to 18 watts, which is mighty excellent. Fantastic lamp from Fenix. Okay, just inserted this one into the USB-A port. And then we take the USB-C and put it inside my phone. Let's see what's happening. And here we go. It's charging. Excellent. Here you can see the LED. It's only half of the battery left. The lamp can also be rotated along its own axis. There's nothing that stops it, so yeah. Take a look at this finish. It's amazingly nice, and you can also see this nice plastic, which is very hard and tough. And you have the magnets and the quarter screw for the camera mount. Not camera mount, for the tripod mount. See what is upside down. This is upside down the right way. And this one as well can be opened up. Okay, enough of this. Let's do it in the dark room and see how it performs there. Let's test the magnet. Very strong. Yes, it is. Very strong indeed. Oh yes. No way you can push this one off the line that easy. Okay, in the dark room, and approximately at the lowest setting. Yes, and I will just turn it up. And here we are at maximum. Oh, the camera doesn't like that. Let's turn it down a little. And now we can check the warm light, which is very nice and warm. Then we can turn over to the cold light. Amazingly nice. Fantastic. And then we can test the red light. Turn this one off, press and hold. And here we have the red light, which is really hard for you to see on the wall. Let's see if I go closer to the wall. Here we have it. And if I press it down shortly, you get the blinking red. Red light. Blinking red. Fantastic. And when you turn on the normal white light, it will turn off the red. So you only have the white one. The white light, and then we have the red light. Fantastic. And again, white light. Amazing. The knob has no stop function, so you just keep on turning. But you will see when it reaches to the end, it will not turn anymore. The on-off button, on the other hand, is click in both ends. Woohoo! Sunlight. The technical data, it's on the back side here, and it says it has 2000 lumen outputs at high. At medium, it has 1000 lumen outputs, and low 10 lumens. That's the white light. I don't know what they mean by high-low, but because it's stepless, so you can adjust it like you like. Like you like, yep. 9 hours runtime at maximum, 10 at medium, and 360 hours at the lowest setting. The distance of the light reach is 58 meters, 42 and 4 on the lowest. And again, you have the red one, which shines 9 lumens for 170 hours. The flashing one has also 9 lumens, but this one works for 340 hours, which is simply amazing. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.